Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share 5 best body oils for a full body glow up. If you want soft, shiny and glowing skins for head to toe, then keep watching. First, coconut oil. It deeply moisturizes the skins and gives it a natural glow. It also helps reduce stretch marks and dryness, but best for summers and winters both. Second, almond oil. It is rich in vitamin E, which makes your skin soft, smooth, and wrinkle free. Massage it on your arms and legs daily for brighter skin. Number 3. Olive oils. Great for dry or dull skins, it locks in moisturizer and gives a long lasting shine. Use it before bed for the best results. Number 4. Argan oil. Also called liquid gold, it improves skin's elasticity and makes your skin glow beautifully. Great for both face and body. Number 5. Rosehip oil. It brightens the skin and reduces dark spots. Perfect if your skin needs extra glow and smoothness. So these were the 5 best bodies oil for a complete glow up. Try them and let me know your result in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beauty tips.